Egypt is becoming one of the strongest industrial countries in Africa and the Middle East. In the past, life was very different. People used to depend mainly on farming and small local jobs, and most villages didn't used to have factories or machines. We used to get many products from other countries. Transportation used to be slow, and there were fewer jobs in cities. Today, Egypt has changed greatly. The textile industry in cities like Mahala produces high-quality clothes and fabrics. These products are sold in Egypt and other countries. The food industry now manufactures many Egyptian products, such as pasta, juice, and snacks. Egypt has also developed a strong steel industry, which helps build new roads, bridges, and houses. New power sources such as natural gas, solar energy, and wind energy are being used to create clean power for homes and factories. These changes have made Egypt more modern and more self-reliant. As the country builds new factories, more Egyptians find work and contribute to a growing economy. People today are proud of their country and how it is developing every day. Egypt's industries show how a nation can grow stronger when it believes in innovation, hard work, and teamwork. The factories that once didn't exist now light up the future for millions.